This video, I will show you how to skip Bullx Waitlist and get early access to Bullx.io. To get started, go ahead and open the Bullx bot on your Telegram account. So you can get redirected to that by clicking on the link on the description box. So as you can see in here, once you hit on the start button on Bullx bot, this will pop up on your screen that you're currently number something on the waitlist for early access. Now to be able to avoid this, you actually need a access code. Now once you hit on that link on the description box, you'll be able to skip the wait list. That link will serve as your access code. And once you get redirected to Telegram, this will pop up on your screen where this is stated on the response. So you can go ahead and proceed on logging in to your Bullx account by hitting on the login button and opening the website on your browser. So as you can see in here, this will load and Bullx will actually fetch your data from your Telegram account to the Bullx website, and your information from your Telegram account will be used for your Bullx account. And that is how you can simply skip the wait list and get early access to Bullx.io.